It should be on. Just press the top button.
You turned it off, remember?
No, it's on.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Turn it off.
I know. I like to breathe. Hard left.
Yeah, I see him. Hold up.
Which direction?
I'm on you. Nice shot, nice shot. James, you're gonna push left. You gonna cover me?
What?
Pushing left. Ready?
Gotcha.
Moving. Set. I see.
No, I don't think so. Nate's over there. Ready? I'm good! I'm good! Fuck!
Hold on, hold on.
I don't even know what I just slipped on!
Got one. Lauren, go around this building and come up to us. I'll cover you. All right, good move. We got a couple pushing right, James. Yeah.
Ricochet probably. I don't know. These ricochets, I'm feeling them. They're stinging a bit.
It's just team deathmatch, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Left side, got it.
Watch out, a dude died in there. Yeah,
He's out, he's out.
Alright, moving right!
How many?
I don't know, just one. Keep on watching over there.
All right, hold on, I'm coming around this corner.
I can't see anyone right now. There's one just got out.
You in the building? Yeah. I got you.
I cannot hit that little kid.
No, I can't hit him either. He's too small of a target. I can cover you. You gonna run to the building?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Go.
I can't see him.
One at building, it hasn't got numbers on it. Couple moving up on our right. Yeah, building 3.
Guys, I'm building 3. Reloading.
Trees in my way. Hold on. Taking fire.
I don't know.
All right, you want to push up building 15 with me?
Yeah. Oh yeah, wait, he just got out from over there.
Okay.
So I don't know what's over there.
Carlos, keep it pinned over here. I'm moving to our left.
I don't know what's over there.
Jesus Christ. Got one.
Ah, there was a guy right over here.
I'm out.
I got him.
Want to push horse? Whose bag is it?
Sure. James! This way.
What are we trying to do?
Lauren, shut up!
got?
Well, we just got together and we got home.
Carlos is out.
Alright, Lauren. Watch me, James. Watch me. What do we got? Alright. Watch this. I'm pushing left. Who's in there? James in there?
No, he's on the side, but I'm trying to see what I can see. He said he's trying to come down the left side.
Okay, push up on me. Oh, there's James. Hi, James.
Yo, they're shooting from spawn. Cover their spawn.
Okay.
The blue spawn. They're just fucking shooting, man.
Are there any in this?
Oh, I got one.
Right.
How the hell did I get him?
Yeah.
Yo, left side. Hold on. Fuck. Reloading. Cover me.
We got one of our guys pushing layer on the left, but I think he got hit. Hey, who's team?
All of the teams. I'm the Thanos team. Oh, I see him. Come on.
I like cannot shoot out of spawn.
I think I nailed that kid. I did nail that kid. Alright, let's try to push up a little bit. It's alright. Let's try to get the guy behind you. I didn't see you there.
You're good, bro.